वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 years, हैविंग एन आइडिया कि यार ये बनाना है, तब जाके जब वो चीज़ आपके सामने होती है एंड इट स्टार्ट गेटिंग टू कम इन द रियल पिक्चर, then you feel okay, this is something that we are actually building. Now once I was done with the event, तब I got the conviction कि okay, this is something which is real. People actually want to do business. They don't just want to hear stories from their professor. Fast forward to 1st September, I got my first sale within 6 days of application launch. And he just parked his car side में and he said me कि यार लौंडे फाड़ दिया तूने. And Simar was like 18 साल की उम्र में पहली सेल ले आया, बहुत बढ़िया. Hi guys, my name is Aman and right now I'm building my own startup which is Quest School, which is India's first startup school. In Quest School, we had one idea and one thesis that we want to build a startup school especially for college students and folks who are interested into startup ecosystem or want to build their own startup. When I was young, I always wanted to build something and I kept trying, kept failing. But there was never a guide or never a pathway which helped me made my journey easier and accelerated my journey on the way. So I thought, why not to build a community and a school for these folks who want to learn about startups and build their own startups. In today's days, general colleges are there, but the curriculum, the business curriculum, it's outdated. They're teaching things which are not practical. So I wanted to build a new age school which teach you business by making you do the business. Our TG is specifically those college students who are pursuing their undergrad. When I was 15 years old, I applied for Y Combinator with the same idea of building a startup school. My name is Aman and I'm currently 15 years old. I was too naive to even think about the outcome. I just applied. Clarity was not there, the clarity of thought was not there. And down the line, 3 years later, today, when I met Nikhil and discovered Hive through Instagram, they're teaching about startups and they're teaching about VC landscape and everything. The curriculum was very exciting to me. So I applied. June 2024, I joined Hive School. The name was not even finalized back then, but the idea was there कि यार startup school बनाना है. Then there was no looking back and I just started working on the idea. I sat with Nikhil each and every day, came to campus and we had all-nighters, went to his home and did all and everything which was required. फिर उसके बाद 20th of July, we had our inaugural event. जहाँ पे I personally took 70 plus interviews and I selected 20 folks. These 20 students were from different states of India. They all came in on 20th of July in North Campus. And this was an 8 hours total event जहाँ पे I called in 10 founders and 20 students. How do we get the application for this event? Simple channel was LinkedIn. I posted each and every day on LinkedIn, got each and every connection of mine to post for me, and from there in itself, we got 70 applications. Now out of the 70 applications, I personally took 60 plus interviews. उन 60 plus interviews के अंदर I personally interviewed each and every candidate basis on the fact कि okay, how much are you interested into building a startup? Are you coming up with some idea or not? And out of this whole event, 8 people also got internships. Now the most interesting thing of this event was that out of these 20 folks, 2 people traveled from outside Delhi. One was from Uttarakhand, he came all the way from train, he took up 24 hours train to come to Delhi specifically for this event. Another one traveled all the way from Rajasthan just to attend this event. Now after 20th of July, जब event पूरा हो गया था, complete हो गया था, I got a conviction कि okay, there's an ideal gap in the market these people and these students are facing. They're actually very interested. When you're working on something from past 2 years, having an idea कि यार ये बनाना है, तब जाके जब वो चीज़ आपके सामने होती है and it starts getting to come in the real picture, then you feel okay, this is something that we are actually building. And must say कि if high school wouldn't have been there, वो नहीं हो पाता. Because I feel पूरी जर्नी में हाई स्कूल का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट रहा है. When you are on your lowest on building a startup कि यार सारी चीज़ें लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर ख़राब हो रही है, how do you fix that? Then you go back to your people, then you go back to your mentor. And I think high school gave me that mentor कि okay, you are building your own stuff but you need someone on above you कि whom you can go back and tell कि यार how do I figure out? How do I do things? Because ideally startup journey is very very lonely. So at that moment you need someone whom you can go back and tell exactly यार ये चीज़ हो रही है, कैसे हो रही है. 24th of August, I opened the application for my startup accommodation bootcamp. And then I had this word with Nikhil कि यार I'll only call you now जब मेरे को मेरी पहली सेल मिल जाएगी. Till then I'll not reach out to you for help. I'll not reach out to you for any help or anything. And then fast forward to 1st September, I got my first sale within 6 days of application launch. And that was the moment I felt कि okay, this is something which is really happening and this is something जो actual में हो रहा है. And I remember I was traveling in metro back then and metro से बाहर आया और निखिल को कॉल करी कि यार I got my first sale finally. And Nikhil was I think traveling back from office and he just parked his car side में and he said me कि यार लौंडे फाड़ दिया तूने. फिर उसके बाद I called Simar and Simar was like 18 साल की उम्र में पहली सेल ले आया, बहुत बढ़िया. When I was working on this whole idea, तब बहुत लोगों से बात करी, बहुत सारे मेंटर से बात करी. You take the name, I had a conversation with them. But एक ही चीज़ थी कि यार तू 18 साल का, तू कैसे बनाएगा, तू कैसे बेचेगा, how will you sell to these people, how will you get those admission. एंड इंटायर चीज़ में बहुत डाउट्स थे, पूरी जर्नी में बहुत डाउट्स थे. बट आइडली सिंपल सा थॉट था कि यार काम करते रहो एंड लगे रहे. 3-4 महीने पूरे फुली इन करा एंड फाइनली जब वो पहली सेल आई थी तब आई वाज लाइक कि ओके नाउ दिस पीपल विल बी शटर कि यार ठीक है बना लिया तूने. एंड आई थिंक उससे बेटर फीलिंग कोई और नहीं हो सकती कि व्हेन पीपल अराउंड यू, व्हेन पीपल who you pursue कि यार ठीक है ये बहुत अच्छे हैं, when people around you doubt you कि यार कैसे करेगा, क्या बना रहा है, क्यों बना रहा है, when you finally prove them कि यार ठीक है मैंने बना लिया, that is the one of the best feeling I would say in the world. The next goal is to get in those 25 students for my startup accommodation boot camp, and in the next 5 years I'm definitely building a UG college. जैसे उड़े आँधियाँ, मंजर है नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है नया, के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आँधियाँ, मंजर